Hey guys, welcome back to another TikTok Shop print on demand video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you the most crucial piece to your success for TikTok Shop and print on demand. And I'm also going to show you a mini tutorial of how you can make best-selling designs and add them to best-selling products to get them into your shop to start making money today. And for those of you who are not sure what TikTok Shop is, in my description below is a link to my previous video that dives into what TikTok Shop is and how you can integrate it with a printing company such as Printify. In a nutshell, you are able to sell products on TikTok Shop and it is integrated with Printify, a printing company that will print and ship your products to your customers for you. So this is just an amazing opportunity because one, it's so new. So this is like as if we were getting into Amazon in the beginning stages. People are millionaires now from selling on Amazon. Two, TikTok is pushing out content that is linked to TikTok Shop. So they want you to make money because they are making money too. So people are making thousands of dollars a day. And in my previous video, I show one seller that has made over $1 million since January selling one simple sweatshirt. This opportunity is huge. And because it can be integrated with Printify, you have no inventory and you're not wasting your time creating products and you're not wasting your time going to the post office to ship them because the printing company does all of that for you. The print on demand model has allowed me the time freedom and financial freedom to now live in Greece with my family. I was able to quit my job. Now, most of my income has come from Etsy print on demand. If you want to learn more about that, ton of videos on my channel about that, and a free course in the description below. But now I'm diving into the world of TikTok Shop and print on demand because I see this as being a huge opportunity for all of us to jump in now and ride that wave. But before you get started in this, you need to know this crucial step, because if you don't know this crucial step, you're going to be wasting your time and you're going to be wasting your money. So product research is the most crucial step. You don't want to just get a random idea that you think is going to be good and post about it, because you don't know if your idea is in demand or not. So what we want to do is research to see which products are already selling really well, gain inspiration from that, and then create our own. And I just want to put in there, we are not copying, we are gaining inspiration, we're making our own designs, and we're putting them on our own product. I'm going to be adding future videos on how to do product research in different ways, but I'm going to show you the most simplest way today. We're going to jump in my phone and I'm going to show you. All right, so we're going to use TikTok Shop to actually research the products that are in demand. So you're going to go to your TikTok profile and you're going to click this right here. It's the little shop bag. Then the screen will look pretty much the same, but this pops up underneath it, TikTok Shop. You're going to click that and you're going to click Go to Marketplace. The marketplace will pop up and then we're going to go to the search right here. And for this video, I'm researching t-shirts. So I typed in women's graphic t-shirts. And then you're going to spend some time scrolling through the t-shirts and seeing how many have sold underneath. So this one has sold 1.4K times, this one 11.7K times, and you're going to scroll through and see which ones have sold the most. And my favorite example for this video is this shirt, Not in the Mood. It is sold 16.9K times. Clearly it is in demand. And I know from selling print on demand on Etsy that the retro wavy font and back of the shirt designs are selling really well. So I'm applying my knowledge from over there to this. I know that these are in demand, so I'm going to show you how we can make our own product to sell on TikTok Shop, taking inspiration from this best-selling design. Okay, so now that we have an example product that's doing really well on TikTok Shop, we're going to head over to KITTL, one of the most easiest platforms to design in. We're going to make our own design and then I'm going to show you how to put this on a product within Printify. Let's get into it.
All right, so we're going to come over to KITTL, which is a site that offers a bunch of different pre-made t-shirt templates for you that you can easily edit to make it your own. So we're going to come up here to t-shirts and I'm going to type in the search that I want retro. I'll type in retro font. I would like it to be kind of like that retro wavy font. And I'm just going to browse through a little bit and see which one might work. All right, I like the look of this, except for the feet, so I'll get rid of the feet, but let's click into here. And I'm going to delete this foot, and I'm going to double click here and type in not, and then in the. Now I'm going to have to stretch this out here to fit those words, and I'm going to move these out of the way for right now. I might end up using them. Not in the mood. Same thing, I have to stretch this out to fit it and make it a little bit smaller. And I'm going to bring that up a little bit. Now I would like my fonts to be wavy, so I'm going to click on this, and I could choose wave, but the wave kind of just, if it's a short word, it only brings it up a little bit, and I want it to give that, you know, wavy look where it goes up and then down. So I'm actually going to use flag for this, and I'm going to bring the flag curve down a bit to about there. Maybe a little less. Yeah, that's good. And then clicking on my next words and choosing flag, and I'm going to bring that curve down a little bit, and then clicking on mood and flag and bringing that curve down a little bit. Not in the mood. And I do like these flowers, so I'm going to bring this here and maybe this one here. Make them a little bit smaller. And as you can see, as I move around my items, these dotted lines appear to help you make the designs even. So I'm going to keep that on that line there. And then because it's going on a sweatshirt, I need to remove this cream background. Otherwise, this whole box would appear on the sweatshirt, and we don't want that to happen. So I'm going to click the background, and then I'm coming over here and I'm going to type in 0% for the opacity. And now that turns into a transparent background. This checker background will not appear. This means that the design is transparent. So only the words and the flowers will appear on my sweatshirt. So now I'm going to go ahead and save this design. And we want to make sure that it is 5,000 by 5,000. And I like a DPI of 300 to make sure that it is a clear picture. And we're going to save this as a PNG file to make sure that it is downloaded as a transparent background file. So PNG stands for transparent background.
All right, so now that we have our PNG transparent background design, let's head over to Printify. All right, we're in Printify. This is the printing company that I use to print, package, and ship all of my print-on-demand products. The example that we saw on the TikTok shop was a big t-shirt. I want to differentiate myself and put my product on a sweatshirt. Sweatshirts are trendy all throughout the year. Believe it or not, sweatshirts are my top selling item in my print-on-demand shops all throughout the year. So I'm gonna go to sweatshirts here, and my best-selling sweatshirt is the Gildan 18,000. It's right here, it's adult unisex. So we're going to click into here. And then I like to use Monster Digital or Swift POD. Swift POD has a nice color selection. I'm going to click Start Designing. Now I want to put my design on the back of the sweatshirt because that is what's trending right now for these types of retro wavy fonts. So I'm going to go to the back side, and I just know that from my product research on Etsy that this type of product is trending right now, in case you were wondering where I pulled that from. All right, so I'm on the back side now, and I'm going to upload and go to my device. And then I'm going to scale this to fit bigger on the back of the sweatshirt. I like to pull my design down a little bit. Now you don't want to go past the dotted line. I like to pull it down when it's on the back, just in case somebody has like their hair down, so most of the design is still visible on the back of the sweatshirt. And then we are able to preview this, and then we can see on the model what it would look like on the sweatshirt. And we can change the color as well by coming up here, and we can select variants. So you can select as many different colors as you would like. So let's say I want to try it on a black sweatshirt. Update, here is on the black, and I can also preview this on the black. And I'm going to actually go with the black since the bestseller on TikTok Shop was a black t-shirt. I'm going to do it on a black sweatshirt. And if I wanted to add even more, I could maybe put a little pocket design on the front, maybe one of the flowers that was on the back here. But for time purposes, I'm just going to keep this a back design. And then I'm going to click Save Product. Now, if you have your TikTok shop synced properly to your Printify account, it will now be in your TikTok shop. If you have any issues or questions with setting up your TikTok shop with Printify, you can just ask Snappy down here in the bottom left-hand corner of Printify. You can ask any of your questions and they will answer you, and they will give you detailed articles and even videos on how to set up your TikTok shop with Printify properly. Now, my next important step is to make sure that you're putting it on an aesthetically pleasing mockup. So you don't want to just use Printify's mockup. When you initially upload your product on Printify and it goes into your TikTok shop, it will have the Printify mockup with it, but you can easily switch that mockup to one of your own within TikTok shop. I like to get my mockups from Etsy. So I just go to Etsy search and I type in the product that I'm looking for. So Gildan 18,000 mockup. And now I'm going to look for a mockup, preferably black, because that's the one that I'm showing. And I probably want to put back of the shirt. You want to make sure that your product image matches what you are selling. So here is an example of one. And I would just purchase this and download it to my computer. And now I have brought it into Canva. Now I'm going to bring my PNG file on top of it. I'm going to scale this down a bit. And the other important thing is to lower the opacity of your design a little bit to make it look like it was printed into the sweatshirt. Because people will be upset if they see how vibrant this is. When they receive it, it's not going to be this vibrant because Printify uses DTG, direct to garment printing. So the ink is going to seep into the material just a little bit, and it's going to be a little less vibrant than this. So to make your mock-up photo more realistic, you're going to come up here to the transparency, and you're going to lower this a little bit to around 95. And then you're going to download this as a JPEG. And you will replace the printing company's photo with this one within your TikTok shop account. So when people click into your TikTok shop, this is the photo that they will be seeing. It's way more aesthetically pleasing than using a printing company's photo. So there you have it. That's the simplest way to do product research. Make sure that you are not skipping this crucial step. It's the most important piece to your success on TikTok Shop with print on demand. I'm going to continue making more videos about TikTok Shop and print on demand. Ask me your questions in the comment section below. It's still new to me. I'm trying my best to learn it and relay all of my learnings to you so that we can succeed in this together. And so I know you watched this video till the end. Say hello and tell me where you're from in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.